Gmurin! Gmurin, everybody! Gmurin! I had a snack before the stream. I was frantically eating it. I had to sneeze. Okay, I was decided to sneeze. Okay. My silent sneeze. So, if you're wondering about Gigi sneezes, the reason I sneeze so silently is because I have sneeze trauma from back when I was a kid. When I sat next to this person in class who would sneeze like without covering their face. Every time they sneezed, I could smell their sneezes and it was really gross. So that is why ever since then, after my sneeze trauma of sitting next to this person in class, I was like, I am never gonna subject any person around me to what I experienced. And that is how I picked up sneezing without releasing the sneeze. No one asked, but there's my trauma. Thank you for listening to my trauma dump session. I will do it again. Yeah. Guys, if you're sneezing, just cover your face. How hard is it to like sneeze into your hand? It's gross sneezing into your hand, but it's better than sneezing next to someone and releasing all your germs onto them. Or you can learn the Gigi way of sneezing, which is to just sneeze and not release it at all. It's like a, I don't know, like a funny tickle when you just force it to remain. Isn't that dangerous? Well, I've been doing it for years, so if it was dangerous, I would be dead by now, I think. Or maybe it's just like taking off little bits of my life every time it happens, so maybe I'll die within the next few years because it's been taking off little bits of my life. So be careful. I've been doing it for so long, it doesn't hurt. It's second nature. Don't worry. If I die, you'll know why. You will know why. Or it's because of a car accident. One or the other. You know how it is. You know how it is around these parts.